Hi there, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie, and today is Craft with 5. It's the last one for this year, and it's got a bit of a festive New Year feel to it, I think. I think that's what Beth was going for. So this is a collaboration hosted by Beth over at Bourbon Creek Crafts. There is a link in the description below to the other participants, and the idea is that we take 5 items from our stash and create some sort of project with them. So the 5 prompts for this month were sequins, and I'm cheating a little bit. They're not quite sequins, but I'm going to say they're basically the same thing. These are glitter shapes that I got on a really good sale, so I thought let's use those. Some twine, some gold, and stars, and an embossing folder. And I'm pulling out an embossing folder. This is from Heidi's Swap. I think the idea was to create pocket cards, 3x4 pocket cards, and I've never used this one, so I'm excited to play with that. And it just so happens that this star in here, which I think was from the MFT Stitch Star Stack, basically almost perfectly cuts out this. So you know where we're going with this, right? We're going to do shaker cards. Okay, so here's what I came up with. Okay, so in addition to the 5 items, I pulled in some colored cardstock, and I used some Tim Holtz chat stickers and some transparency for the shaker card. They're basically the same design, but I played around with the twine placement. So 3 of these cards are going to be New Year's cards, and 2 are going to be 4th of July. So this one here, I just added a bow at the top. That turned out cute. This one I used the twine to make stripes in the background. This one I wrapped the twine around the base and then kind of cinched it in and tied a bow. And then the 2 4th of July cards, this one I wrapped it across the front panel. And then on this one I tied 2 little bows on top of the stars, and they are shaker cards. So there you have it for this month's challenge, short and sweet. We have the stars, the gold, the twine, the sequins, and the embossing folder. So I'm going to consider this one wrapped up. Be sure to check out the other collaborators in the link below to see what they came up with. And until next time, happy crafting.